Hi, I'm Alan Frank with OutofBandAccess.com, and on behalf of KVM Pros today, we're talking about the Avasant Emerge ECMS4000 and Emerge DM2000. We're showing today dual DVI capabilities with 1920 by 1200 resolution with full audio, and we have an Avid screen up and running right now. We're using an Extreme 450 for the backbone high-speed network connections. This is the Avasant DM2000. And we're going to move over to the other station and show you how for the first time we're going to create a dual share mode using the same workstation or target server. Stand by. Did that work okay? Okay, now we're at the second section, which is the first time ever share mode for the ECMS4000 using two 4000 TUs or transmitter units. The transmitter units are simply connected with a passive dual DVI connector, allowing us to have two Avasant Emerge ECMS4000 transmitters connected to the hardware. We'll show you that in just a quick second. It was simply as easy as hitting print screen, logging into the DM2000 of course, selecting the relative server, and going from there. As you can see, we have the exact same session going on live right now as we do on the other workstation. So we're having the ability at this point to manage to the computer at both locations in what we call share mode. There you go. So what we just showed you with the first shared pretty much ever using dual ECMS4000 transmit units, the transmit units are actually located here below. We're actually connected to my Avid workstation, and what I did was use the passive DVI splitter to share the A and the B DVI to the A and the B relative to both transmit units doing two. Each of the transmit units has its own Ethernet IP address and allows the secondary user to gain access to the secondary channel or the secondary access point for what we're going to call share mode at this point. And you can see that we're still running on the share mode as we speak. Okay, so we just showed you how we created an active share mode using two ECMS4000 transmit units, or TUs, with a passive DVI splitter to my Avid workstation so that we can distribute it across two different locations. Now there's another way that we can do this as well, and I'm going to show you that connected on my laptop. What we've done here is we've used two active DVI sessions instead of a passive using a product from DisplayLink. It's a USB to DVI adapter, and it simply allows me or anyone to use a secondary DVI or a mirror DVI connection from your laptop or your workstation or your server. Still high resolution, and basically what we've done is we've taken the A channel and I've mirrored it to my laptop. I've taken the B channel and I've mirrored it to my laptop again using the 4000 TU. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over here now and we're going to show you how we switched from the Avid box that we were using to the laptop. And so basically what we're going to do is I've mirrored my main display on my laptop to both of these displays. And as you can see in the background, go ahead and there you go. As I change here and do some things, if you'll go back over to the displays, thanks. You'll see that we're using the same, now we have three displays mirroring basically the same technology, the same user interface. And what we're looking at here is the actual DM2000 manager, the desktop manager, DM2000 2.0 version. And this is how we're managing to our ECMS4000 receivers and transmit units. Thanks.